Hello, welcome to the new episode. Anyway, so today it's about me moving on to a new series called dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot one. Great new characters like a sheep. No. Maybe I can give you a tour. Show you my expert card playing. You'll be amazed, believe me. You will be astonished. See this, it's just like this now. Now watch this, you will be astounded. You'll also get freaked out. Did that freak you out? No, it didn't. So... I'll also be giving you a test of concentration as well. Using the pig. You know, how to float your boat. And leave interesting or creative responses on what you want me to do. So anyway, today I just want to say